Want to get straight to that weather alert. We have seen some snow in the metro area this morning, but nothing really sticking yet.
No, and that's going to be the case throughout the rest of the day today. The main event is still to come, and that's going to fall over our heads come Saturday morning and continue through much of the day. But a KOIN 6 weather alert still remains in place for a few of those snowflakes today as we prepare for the dangerously cold temperatures, snow, and even ice across our area. 33 degrees, that's where we are currently sitting. Those temperatures only continuing to drop here across the Portland areas. The winds right now out the northwest at about 9 miles per hour. You can see the cold air already starting to pool just on the east side of the Cascades. Hood River down to 18 degrees right now, just a degree above the freezing mark for Portland. But you'll notice the further south you go along the Willamette Valley, that's where it's warmer, still holding steady into the 40s. But eventually that cold air will start to trickle its way further to the south as the winds right now are slowly starting to pick up through the gorge locations, only expected to continue to do so as we move through the next 24 hours or so, as the cold pocket of air is diving its way south over much of the western half of the country and through the north central regions. But the Cascades usually do a pretty good job of blocking the coldest temperatures, but that won't necessarily be the case as we get east winds to allow for all of that cold air to funnel its way through the Columbia River Gorge and pool into the Portland area. Eventually, it will start to sag its way further south along the Willamette Valley, and then we're going to be throwing moisture on top of that cold air near the surface, and that means that snow and ice is a very real potential on top of the gusty winds, where we could see them top off at almost 60 miles per hour. Right now, just seeing maybe a stray band here and there of light snow flurries. Again, none of this is going to be accumulative as we move through the afternoon hours today. It really gets going as we move into tomorrow morning. Snowflakes continuing to fall over the high terrain, the Cascades. So if you need to make it to the other side of the mountains, do so today before the brunt of this system takes aim at our area. Now, the National Weather Service just updating much of the northern Willamette Valley. This does include Portland and the Salem area. This is a winter storm warning. We could see anywhere from about 2 to 4 inches of snowfall, 60-mile-per-hour winds, and when you combine those together, blizzard conditions are a possibility, primarily on the eastern side of Portland, right where those winds are going to be exiting the Columbia River Gorge. Here it is all timed out with your futurecast. Seeing the cloud coverage and colder temperatures continue to work their way into the area. Temperatures tonight will be dangerously cold. The moisture then starts to increase across the area at our timestamp of about 7 o'clock or so. For Salem, seeing maybe freezing rain as early as the sunrise hours as all of this begins to track its way further to the north. The pink, again, that's where we could see freezing rain, icing conditions as our temperatures hover just below the freezing mark, and colder temperatures out towards Portland will likely just make everything fall in the form of snow as that snow becomes a little bit more widespread, stretching from the coast out towards the Astoria area all the way through the Cascades. So this is going to be a widespread winter impact as the whole system really starts to pull its way out of our area come Saturday evening after sunset, and then we are just left with the bone-chilling temperatures that will take us well into Sunday. So any precip that does fall will likely be staying overhead. So here's a snapshot of what we expect to see as far as the snowfall. The brunt of it falling right over Portland, over the high terrain of the Coast Range. Here's just a snapshot of some of our weather models. Some are being a little aggressive on the 11-inch side. I think, again, anywhere from about 2 to 4, if not even closer to 8 inches on the higher end of things, as this is the icing locations. Anywhere south of about Wilsonville or so through the I-5 corridor, where we could potentially see 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch of ice. Now, as far as the snow goes, it's going to be covering us here in Portland, including the roadways, because of those dangerously cold temperatures. So if you do have to go out and about today, do so. This is your window to maybe stock up on those groceries, as the winds could potentially bring power outages to many of our locations as the gusts near about 50 miles per hour. So you need to stay weather aware. Prepare for some cold nights without any power, as those feel like temperatures are really going to be dropping down into the single digits as we work our way into tonight and into Saturday for us. Our 7-day forecast does show those KOIN 6 weather alerts staying in place through the weekend. It stays cold all the way through Martin Luther King Jr. Day on Monday, and still seeing the chance for maybe a wintry mix for the beginning of next week.
I just got chills just even looking at it. Yes.
I know it's going to be cold, but if we prepare now, we can all just make it through it.
I hope so. Okay, we'll be right back. Stick around.